Okay, here's everything you need to make a Lean1 protein shake, similar to how they make it at Smoothie King. So if you want to save some money, you can buy these on Amazon. I also put these Performix protein cookies in the video just because they're really good. You can buy them on Amazon as well. I'm not affiliated with any of these people, or any of these sellers. You can pause the video there if you want to read all the nutrition facts and all the ingredients. So all you do is put in your strawberries. I like to do strawberries. You can do raspberries and blueberries. And then I'll also put in 1 banana, some ice, and some ice cold water. And then mix it up. Okay, now you can use milk, but I'm just using water because I don't want the added calories and I want it to be thinner, not thicker. So I put a little bit of creatine, a scoop of creatine in there, and there's the bananas, ice, milk, and strawberries. Sometimes I like to add raspberries as well, but don't have any of those today. And I just throw a whole packet in of this Lean1. I like the strawberry and the vanilla. I haven't tried the chocolate yet. I got kind of sick of chocolate protein shakes. But throw all that in there, and you might want to hit mute on the video, because this could be kind of loud. Get a nice long straw, and there you go. That's the Lean1 strawberry protein shake, the same as they make in Smoothie Kings. And of course you can blend longer if you want it to be smoother. I still have some chunks in there, but that's it. That's all the ingredients you need.